Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through designing a compelling goal infographic slide that will enhance your presentations with clarity and impact. Let's get started. Begin by opening a new slide with a clear title and a white background. Start by inserting a circle shape to serve as the base of our archery target. Next, change the circle's color to white. Then, duplicate the circle, resize it slightly smaller, place it inside the original, and change its color to red. Align the circles to the middle and center for symmetry. Repeat this process, alternating colors to create the layered effect of an archery target. Select all the circles and ensure they are perfectly aligned. Remove the outlines from the white circles to create a cleaner look. Then group all the shapes together. Now, go to the Format Shape options to add a subtle effect that enhances depth and visual appeal. To make the target more dynamic, rotate it slightly and apply a depth effect. This will give the target a three-dimensional look, making it more engaging and visually striking. To represent our goal, we will now create an arrow pointing at the target. Start by inserting an arc shape and adjusting its size as needed. Rotate it 90 degrees. Quick tip, I've got 200 slides made especially for professionals like you. Make sure to check them out. Do you like what you see? Then change the beginning arrow type to arrow and the size to arrow L, size 4. Set the width to 15.75p and change the color to gray for a sleek, modern appearance. Position the arrow at the top of the target. Adjust the arrow so that it aligns precisely with the center of the target. Then, add a small circle at the tip of the arrow to represent the goal icon. Duplicate the circle, recolor it white, and align it to the center for a polished look. Insert a line shape and change its dash type to round dot to create a subtle guiding line. For more design hacks and template ideas, be sure to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Then, add a rectangle shape below it to serve as a space for subheadings or additional text. To represent multiple objectives or milestones, select all the shapes and duplicate them. Position them strategically to maintain a clean and structured layout. Now, let's bring the design to life by incorporating colors. Use a professional and visually appealing palette, such as purple, blue, and green, to create contrast and highlight key elements. To complete the slide, add relevant icons that correspond to your goals. Finally, apply the morph transition for a smooth, polished effect. Begin by duplicating the slide 4 times to create a smooth animation sequence. Navigate to the first slide and remove all shapes, leaving only the title and the archery target. Apply a fade animation to the title, followed by the archery target to introduce them gradually. Move to the second slide and delete all shapes except for goal 1. Adjust the arrow size slightly smaller so it can progressively grow in the following slides. Select all shapes that form the goal circle and apply a fade animation. Animate the subheading line using a wipe effect. Apply a peek in animation to the subheading text, setting the effect direction to left. Repeat the same animation process as in goal 1 for each subsequent goal in the next slides. Select the last slide, then hold Shift and select the first slide Apply the morph transition to create a smooth and professional effect. And there you have it. Your goal infographic slide is complete. This slide is an excellent way to visually represent objectives and make your presentations more engaging and professional. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.